Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can adjust work in progress in QuickBooks, so let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks online account. From the dashboard, click on the plus new button. Then, depending on how you want to record your WIP adjustment, you'll typically use either a journal entry or a sales form. Let's walk through the journal entry method. Click on Journal Entry. In the first line, choose the WIP asset account you've set up in your chart of accounts. Enter the appropriate debit amount to reflect the value of the work completed but not yet invoiced. On the next line, choose the revenue or income account where you want the adjustment to balance. Enter the same amount as a credit. This ensures your books stay balanced while properly reflecting the WIP. If your business needs to track WIP by project, don't forget to use the Customer Project field in the journal entry. This links the adjustment directly to the job you're working on. Once you've entered all the details, double-check the amounts to make sure everything is correct. Then, click Save and Close. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.